Saka nabibidyo ko tayo.
Welcome back to my channel. And this is our hotel for tonight. It's a nice travel. Let's go inside. Just ask them to call your room if there's Aurora sightings, and let's go to the breakfast room.
I want to stay under the sun, sing with the birds and be no one, hiding inside my lemon tree. One of those days that I am free.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh my gosh, bacon. Sana may rice.
Bacon. I hope there's.
I want to stay under the moon, watching the earth and be in tune. Now everything looks so small.
Breakfast ata.
Okay.
Are you part of a group or?
Yes.
Nice
You're part
travel.
of a
From
group?
nice travel.
All right, so they will let you know from
we'll
the
just check the
reception.
reception.
Okay, whether it's here or is it upstairs, but because that depends. I think it will be here.
Okay.
Follow me to your table.
For me, yes.
Thank you. Saka ba? Where do you want?
Kahit saan ikaw.
Anywhere. And go.
Okay. Welcome to our hotel for today. Wow! Welcome, and this is our toilet. I'm gonna show you our toilet. Wow! Look at that! It's amazing. With this lighted mirror, we have the towels, and this is the shower. And what I love about this, the big space for our luggage. And this
Shit, sana 2 nights.
is the bedroom. And we have a lobby. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it.
Oh my gosh, Besh, ang ganda. You're the best. You're the best.